Many people invest a great deal of time and money into creating original works of art, whether that be songs, sound recordings, photographs, paintings, novels, etc. Many creators dedicate their lives to their art, and so much discussion is dedicated to protecting and monetizing copyright rights so that creators can make a living. Sometimes, however, creators don't consider what will happen to their life's work at their death. All too often, creators pass on without carefully considering what will become of their copyrights. Typically, copyright protection in the United States lasts for the life of the author plus 70 years. Creators need to contemplate what is going to happen to their works during those 70 years. Copyrights are intangible personal property, and creating a detailed estate plan with an attorney experienced in both estate planning and intellectual property law ensures your copyrights will pass to others as you would like, rather than as the law dictates. If a person dies without a will, all of the deceased's property will pass through the intestate succession laws of the state in which the person was domiciled at death. Those laws vary from state to state, but intestate succession could lead to fractured ownership of copyrights, which makes exploitation of a copyrighted work much more difficult than if the work had passed through a will that contemplates the future of the copyright. When creating a will, copyrights should be directed clearly, stating, "I will all of my property to my children," could lead to unintended consequences. Failing to specify to whom your copyright should pass may cause any number of legal and tax-related issues for your loved ones. In addition, it is important to remember the difference between the ownership of a physical object embodying a work and the copyright to that work. For example, bequeathing all of my paintings to Tom and the rest of my property to Steve potentially could result in the physical paintings going to Tom, but the copyright rights to that art passing with the rest of your property to Steve. Equally critical, the time and expense required to clarify those rights is not something most people wish to burden their beneficiaries with. These examples are just some of the many issues that can arise with planning, or failing to plan, an estate that involves copyrights, or really any intellectual property rights. Creating an estate plan with an attorney who recognizes the unique nature of copyrights is the best way to ensure your life's work is left in good hands.